Let's take a look at this camera that I received from the seller. Now, I really like that it comes with a strap, a carrying bag. This is the charging cable, and then this is the cable that you use to connect to your computer to transfer the pictures. This also comes with a user manual to help you with your settings. Now you can easily turn it on by pressing this button on the side. What I really love about this camera is that you can flip this screen up and then you can easily see yourself while you're recording. There are many different modes on the top. Here's continuous shooting, 2K video, 1080p video, time-lapse video. You can look at the pictures that you've taken, timer, auto. Then there's also a wide and tall button so that you can zoom in and out. This camera also comes with the memory card and it goes right here. This is where you plug in your charging cable and your transfer cable. You can turn on your flash and there's also a speaker. There's also a menu and you can scroll through and choose anything that you need. Beauty mode, selfie mode, screensaver. There's also a thin face shaping button. Burst shooting. You can record the audio, set your loop recording, time lapse. This camera is really compact. I'm really happy with this for my video recordings and for my photos, and I think you'll like it too.